I honestly think that every room in the world could benefit from a touch of black. I think it's just so grounding and sophisticated. And when it came to windows, we actually tested it. I painted our old windows that were here. I just painted it the inside black, and I was like, yep, that's what we need. We need that contrast. And outside, I knew I wanted a dark exterior, but I still wanted some sort of contrast. And so we did more of a charcoal on our home, and we did the windows, this really rich, shiny black. And the tone on tone, I don't know if you can tell, I love tone on tone. I'm like blue on blue on blue on blue. I love tone on tone. And so to bring that trend onto the exterior with the dark windows on the dark house, it was something I was super excited about.